Have you ever wondered how long it takes for Paysafe to pay out? It's a question that many online users have asked themselves, especially those who rely on Paysafe for their online transactions. In this video, we'll delve into the factors that influence Paysafe payout times and provide you with a clear understanding of what to expect. Paysafe is a popular online payment processor that offers a variety of services, including e-wallets, prepaid cards, and merchant solutions. It's widely used for online gambling, online shopping, and other digital transactions. When you use Paysafe to make a payment, the funds are typically held in your account until you request a payout. Factors affecting payout times. Several factors can affect how long it takes for Paysafe to pay out. These include payout method. The method you choose to withdraw your funds will significantly impact the payout time. Bank transfer. Bank transfers are generally the slowest option. It can take several business days for the funds to reach your bank account, depending on your bank's processing times and any intermediary banks involved. E-wallet. Payouts to e-wallets like PayPal or Skrill are typically faster than bank transfers. The exact time can vary depending on the e-wallet's processing speed and any verification requirements. Prepaid card. If you have a Paysafe prepaid card, you can withdraw funds from an ATM. This is usually the fastest option, but there may be limits on the amount you can withdraw at once. Verification requirements. Paysafe may require additional verification before processing your payout. This could include providing identification documents or confirming your address. The verification process can add to the overall payout time. Processing times. Paysafe's internal processing times can also influence how quickly your payout is processed. While Paysafe generally strives to process payouts efficiently, there may be occasional delays due to system issues or high transaction volumes. Bank holidays and weekends. Payouts may be delayed during bank holidays or weekends, as financial institutions may not be operating. Specific payout timeframes. Bank transfer typically takes 3 to 5 business days. E-wallet usually takes 1 to 2 business days. Prepaid card, immediate withdrawal from ATMs. Tips for faster payouts. Verify your account. Ensure that your Paysafe account is fully verified to avoid delays. Choose a fast payout method. Opt for e-wallets or prepaid cards for quicker withdrawals. Be patient. Understand that payout times can vary, and there may be occasional delays. While Paysafe generally strives to process payouts efficiently, the exact time it takes can vary depending on several factors. By understanding these factors and taking steps to expedite the process, you can minimize delays and receive your funds in a timely manner. If you have any further questions about Paysafe payouts or need assistance with your account, don't hesitate to contact Paysafe's customer support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.